Woodford Brothers and Syracuse Athletics recently ran a contest where one grand prize winner received a home basement waterproofing courtesy of Woodford Brothers.
One of our valued partners is Woodford Brothers, and Tom Woodford's here with us. And Tom, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, well, thanks for coming. And you've run this contest. First of all, really, I think was the goal, rewarding community involvement and that type of thing. And we'll talk about the winner and how they got there. But you got a special couple that's got a basement waterproofing coming their way because of what they do in the community.
Yep, absolutely. Well, every year we, as a company, we try to brainstorm and figure out how to give back in a meaningful way. And in the past, we've done various projects like we did a handicap ramp for the local church. And it works great. The team bonds, everybody has a really great time, and it's fun for everybody. We didn't have a great plan for how to donate a waterproofing job like this, so we pitched the idea to SU Athletics, and they helped us to put the whole thing together.
As I understand it, the contest was nominate some people in the community that might be deserving of a little nudge where Woodford Brothers can come in and help. And to discuss that, Mike Larner's here. And Mike, you got a special couple that you're familiar with that continues to give back to their community. They're selfless, and pretty cool to get them set up this way, huh?
Yes, it is. They are very happy and very thankful to Tom for everything that they will be receiving through this contest through their store.
Yep, David and Ruth Sturgis we're talking about in the Cicero area, right? And they've got a dog, kind of a healthy dog food store. That's pretty cool.
That's correct. And through that store, they give back to the community. They have a Hardy Co. Helping Paws Pantry where they give out free food once a month to those that are in need.
It goes with the brand for Woodford, doesn't it, Tom? The idea that look out for your neighbor,
yep.
Right? And that's really what you're rewarding here.
Yep, we wanted to reciprocate. I mean, the idea was that if we were going to do this, we want to do it where we feel like the effort is well spent.
Yeah.
And, we had a lot of trouble picking through all of the applicants, so there were some tough calls that had to be made there, but we're happy with the outcome.
You're involved in basement waterproofing, kind of reconstruction, right? If somebody maybe has a flood or a problem there, and I see the form you're having people check out if they want an estimate, but looks like a number of different services that they can take advantage of.
We get into a lot of different things, but primarily all things basement-y. It can be summed up with waterproofing and structural repairs. If there's issues with the foundation, we're the guys for that.
All right, very good. So good luck to Woodford Brothers. Mike, thanks for coming with us, and enjoy the game tonight.
Yes, thank you, and thank you to Woodford.
It's humbling, really. I mean, you pay it forward, you do what you can for your community, and then you get rewarded. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty humbling.
We're thankful that the people that put our names in for it. We didn't think that anything like that would happen. We're usually the type of people that are giving instead of receiving, so that's what it means. It's kind of really surprised us.
Thank you for your continued support of Syracuse Athletics and the local community.